Hello and welcome to another lecture of your first store development beginners to expert dropshipping store, especially from AliExpress. Here in this lecture, we'll see how we can create collections. We already did create collections, but sometimes we need some more collections that are needed. So how we can create them, we'll see all the things in the collections here and how we can create them. So here in the collections page, you have to click on create collection. There are two types of collection. Number one is manual and another one is automatic. So we will first create manual collection in which we just here demo collection. We will name it demo. Manual collection, and we will give some raw description. We are just putting some data. So here from the very right side, you have to select the sales channels on which you want to publish your products, and then we have selected manual option, and then in the image you can put image of your collection. So from here, edit image, going to just adding demo image here. Just like they will be using antenna image. This is just for demo purposes, so you must know how to create manual collection, and after this you can click save, right? So here our collection is created and you can view it on your own store. It will be showing like this collection on your store without any product. So once we will give it some products here, you see in the set products, we click on browse and we just view one product to this collection manually, and then here we refresh this collection. You see a product in the collection like this. So here is the collection page with only one product. So at the left side you will see some filters option, sorting option. We will make it more better. We're just looking at collections creation now. So we'll see the other option, demo automatic collection. And thing we will do here and like this, and here where you click automatic, it will ask you for all condition, any condition. So if the product must match all conditions, then any condition you are adding here should match. Like here's the explain all these options here. You can put product title, product type, vendor, product tag, price, compared price, rate. You can differentiate by these options. So is the product title that contains is equals to, not equals to, starts with, ends with, contains, does not contain. So we select contain, then we will set jewelry. I hope all the products contain jewelry in the titles, the product titles. Another condition is jewelry chain. So if you select all conditions, then it must matches all the conditions here. Like there should be products that contain titles, contain jewelry, and the product titles contain chain. Then it will be showing under this, right? So if all condition, we will also select images like we have done before. These are demo images, don't focus on it. So after this, once you will click on save and the very top right, you will see it will show us some products. So there are no products in this collection. Add or change conditions to add products. So where you see there is no product that contains jewelry as well as chain in its title. So once we will select any condition here and click on save, we'll see a lot of products are coming. So you will go to then here. Here seeing products in this collection are updating. Try refreshing this list in. So you get products again in this collection. We can just go to products and then we click on collections and then we can click on automatics. It is updating, the products are refreshing. So we can just view it in our store, maybe the products are been there. There was not updated yet. It takes some time, like it's mentioned, like 1 minute. Okay, here you see now all the products are showing. Like here, you see in this collection we have these products that contain the word chain as well as the jewelry. But here, chain, this contains chain. All the product, I think no products contain jewelry, so it's not showing just like this, right? So this was the automatic collection creation procedure, and more we will see into the website SEO, all these things created. So this was the procedure of creating collections in your store. I hope you guys understand how the automatic and manual collections are created within Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Take care.